Nearly half the states across the U.S. have a medical marijuana program. Michigan made it legal in 2008, and now about 120,000 people have a medical marijuana card. But what exactly does the law say? TV6's Jennifer Perez takes a look at how it works in part one of her series, Policing Pot.
The medical marijuana was useful for me to continue functioning through the pain.
Kathy Dunn is one of 120,000 medical marijuana card holders in Michigan. The Medical Marijuana Act passed in 2008. It made marijuana legal in treating people with debilitating conditions like cancer, glaucoma, Crohn's disease, and recently PTSD.
It is not legalized marijuana. It is not commercial marijuana. It is more of an exception to the rule.
The law allows for the use, possession, acquisition, transport, and cultivation of marijuana in small quantities by a patient or appointed caregiver with a state-issued medical marijuana card. Anyone can apply for a card with a doctor's consent.
The doctor is supposed to do an in-person exam and supposed to verify and sign the form certifying that you have a condition and that you would benefit from treatment with medical marijuana.
Medical marijuana cards for patients and caregivers are distributed by the Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs. A caregiver is someone older than 18 and only appointed by the patient to grow their plants for them.
The patient or the caregiver can cultivate it. It has to be cultivated in a secure, locked and enclosed location.
Under the law, a patient can possess only 2.5 ounces of usable marijuana at any given time, and they can also grow up to 12 plants. A caregiver, however, can grow up to 72 plants for 5 different patients and themselves. Currently, dispensaries are illegal in Michigan, but it's technically legal for a patient to obtain marijuana from a drug dealer. So it's places like the Happy Carrot where patients can safely meet caregivers and conduct their transactions. Anyone violating the Medical Marijuana Act faces a 4 or 7 year felony. In part 2 of Policing Pot, we'll share Kathy's story and the issues officers face when it comes to enforcing the law. Jennifer Perez, TV6 News, Chocolate Township.